I craft everything. Hi everyone, it's Spunky from I Craft Everything. And today we're giving you a part 2 or an update on the previous video. If you had a chance to check out my video last week, you'd know that I purchased a button making machine from a company called Htv Ront. In that tutorial, I detailed the process for creating buttons from beginning to end. I had got the machine out of the box and tried to make my very first button and my second button and third button and so on, and the machine just would not successfully make the button for me. So I reached out to their customer service team to let them know that the machine was not functioning properly. Initially, they asked me to send in a video to them to let them see what the process was to confirm that I was, in fact, creating the buttons properly. I sent it to them as requested, and they told me at the time that the tech support team could not review it for another maybe 10 days, and they were out on vacation due to the Chinese holiday. So I asked them if they could send me a brand new machine, and here we are. So today I received my machine in the mail and I'm presently unboxing it and showing you everything that came in the replacement. It's basically the same exact thing that was in the initial purchase. The only difference is it's a brand new machine. As you can see, it comes with the top and bottom shells to create the button, as well as the adjustable circle cutter, the protective sheets to put on top, the gasket that goes inside of the mold, as well as instructions. So I've already printed these out and sent them to the Cricut machine to create the buttons I'd like to make. I'm going to go ahead and pull them off the mat. You can use the crafting spatula if you'd like, but in this case they're pretty easy to come off the mat since my mat is a little bit older and isn't as sticky as it once was. I'm going to take the button making machine and place it towards me. You'll notice that there is a indentation inside that you can place the top part of your button. If you see a little post in the center of the circle, that is to tell you exactly what the middle of the button is going to be. I like to take a very small piece of double-sided tape to put in between the shell as well as the design to make sure it doesn't slide around. Once I get it all positioned where I'd like it to go, I'm going to make sure that my clear protective sheet is only one because they tend to stick together. Make sure you position it as straight as you can to avoid it being processed crooked once you finish the project. So I'm going to take the clear sheet and put it on top and spin the mold around counterclockwise. You'll notice that the second mold is empty. So you're going to take your other half of your button shell, squiggly side up, and center it with the post that's aligned on the mold. Pull the top and bottom of the lever down. I like to hold it and release. Once you do, you switch the mold back around and you'll notice that the front is empty. That is normal. You'll repeat the process and pull the top and bottom lever down and release, spin it back around, and voila, you have a perfect button. Make sure you take a look at the button as a whole all around the edges to make sure that it pressed properly. If it didn't, then you'll have to start this process all the way over. But if it did, then congratulations, you've just made a beautiful button. I would just like to give a shout out to the HTV Ront customer service team. I can honestly say that they did not give me a hard time trying to get this machine exchanged. They didn't ask too many questions. The hardest part was waiting for a response back to me, but they promptly shipped me out a new machine. It came several days after asking that they order me one, and it came in good condition. Now, the only thing is I did ask them to put it in a separate cardboard box to make sure that it didn't get banged around while it was shipping. They still put it in a plastic bag, but the machine arrived to me and it was in perfect condition nonetheless. I am super excited about all of the buttons that I'm set to create with this machine. I can't wait to add them to my store. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who subscribe to our content. We are so thankful for you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. And if you have any questions, please put them in the chat. We love communicating with you guys, and we usually get back to you pretty quickly. Thank you so much for checking out our channel, watching our content, and hearing our thoughts and feelings on this particular machine. We look forward to bringing you more content in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for being here. We will talk to you later. Bye.